Hello guys, my name is Shaima. Alright, in this tutorial video, we'll be decorating this master bedroom. You can go to 2D view. Right, so we're going to decorate this room. Okay, so first things you can go to floor plan and drag windows and door first. Okay, I will be using this bay window over here, and then you can select the window and make it center. Right, and then here got one door. You can select any single door and copy, drag it here. Okay, copy and paste the door. Alright, then you can go to room view. Okay, so this is the master bedroom. Here we have doors and the window. Alright, so this bay window, you can adjust the sizing first. Okay, in this information box, you can adjust the length and the height. Okay, you can untick this one, proportional button, to adjust one by one. Let's say height, I change to 1008. Okay, and you can also adjust this one, ground clearance. This one is actually the height from the floor. Okay, let's say I adjust it to 900. Okay, I will reduce the height a bit. This one change to 1006. 1006. Alright. Okay, you can adjust the window, and then you can drag the bed to the center. Okay, you can go to library, go to furniture category down here, and then go to group. Okay, so inside here we have bed combination. You can go here. Okay, so we have total 200 pages inside. You can just select any bed model. Okay, so you can see we have multiple few items inside. We have side table, frame, carpet. Okay, so everything is inside this combination. Okay, you can just drag only. Okay, let's say I drag this bed. Okay, you can move it, select the bed, and you will see this arrow. You can move it left and right to adjust the position. Okay, so once you drag the bed, you can see a few buttons up here. Okay, select the bed. See these few buttons. Okay, you can try one by one. This one is size query. You can select the bed and you can see all the measurement. Okay, the measurement, and then you can right click to cancel. Then you can copy. Okay, it will copy to the right. Okay, next button is group. Since this one is already grouped, you can try ungroup this one. Ungroup the bed, and you can select one by one. You can select the frame. Okay, you can select one by one. And then this one is height. This one is favorite and delete. For height button, you can select the bed. You can hide, or you can press H button. It will be hidden inside here. To unhide it, you can go to display, material management, and here you can tick display button, okay, to show back the bed. Alright, and then this one is favorite button. You can favorite this model and you can make a new category. Okay, make a new category, or you can directly save inside the unnamed folder. Click confirm, and then I will save inside this category. Okay, to view back your favorite item, you can go to mine, go to favorite. All your favorite item will be inside here. Okay, so this one is my bed just now, my favorite. Okay, you can just drag it out, and maybe you can use in other room. Okay, so if you like any model in the library, you can just click favorite, so you don't need to search it back later. Alright, then you can try ungroup. Okay, ungroup the bed. Now we are trying to replace the product one by one. Okay, you can select the product one by one and replace it. Let's say I replace the side lamp here. Okay, select the side lamp, and you can see this box. Just select the box, and on the left side it will list out all the lamp model in the library. Just double click to replace the model. Okay, so you can see it replaced the model. You can adjust the position, maybe rotate it a bit. Okay, and up here you can try adjust the sizing. This one. Okay, or you can untick proportional to adjust the size one by one. You can adjust the height, the width, and the length one by one if you untick proportional. Okay, so down here you can adjust the light. Okay, we have the light color, okay, temperature and color. This one is actually the bulb temperature. you go to color, it will change the light color. Let's say we go to orange tone. Okay, and then you can select the specific color. Okay, and then you can click this plus button so the color will appear here. Alright, and then down here is the brightness. Maximum is 100. Usually we go below 50. Okay, and then you can try replace any product around it. Okay, let's say the side table. You can select and replace. Okay, so on the left side, it will list out all the side table in the library. Then just double click on any table you like. Okay, it will replace the model. Okay, and this side lamp you can also move it up. Okay, move it up so it doesn't overlap with the table. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, this one I will change to the same model as well. Just double click and then select the decoration and move it up. Okay, drag it up to adjust the position. Let's say you want to move the side table together with the decoration. Okay, you can highlight them, hold control button, left click, highlight the table and the decoration, and you can move them together. Okay, same thing with the other side. Okay, hold control button and highlight. Okay, left click, highlight. Okay, and then you can see the arrow, drag it to the right. Okay, drag to the right. Okay, so that's how you move the whole thing together. Just highlight the things that you want to move and then drag the arrow. Right? Alright, so now you can try replace another product. Okay, so I will replace the carpet here. You can select the carpet, select the box up here, and replace another model. Okay, just choose different carpet. Okay, so let's say I use this model. Okay, then you can close it. Okay, to edit the model, you need to remember 3 buttons. You can go to Help, Shortcuts. Okay, please remember these 3 buttons, Z, X, and C. Okay, so let's try one by one. If you press the Z button, you will see this arrow popping out. Okay, you can move it forward, backward, okay, left and right. And last one is move up and down. Okay, let's try move another object. Okay, let's try move the stream. You can try move it forward. It doesn't move because it got gravity. It will stick on the wall. Okay, to cancel the gravity, you need to hold control button and drag the arrow up. Okay, to cancel the gravity. If you didn't press control button, see, it will stick back to the wall because it got gravity. Okay, same thing with the decoration. If I move it forward, okay, so I move it forward, it will fall to the floor because it got gravity function. Okay, to cancel the gravity, hold control button and drag it forward so you can move it freely without the gravity. Alright, so that's how you move the items in the library. Okay, remember if the items got gravity, you need to hold control button, cancel the gravity. So this one is rotate. You can press X button to rotate. Okay, this one is the red color arrow. This one is the blue color arrow. Okay, this one is the green color. You can rotate it forward and backward. Okay, X button is to rotate. Alright, so this one also can rotate 90 degree. Can move, rotate left and right. Alright. Okay, so last button is C button. You can press C button. And you can see all corner will have their own points. Okay, different color. Okay, different color like this one, red color. It will adjust the width. Okay, green color will adjust the length of the item. Okay, red color is for the width. Okay, blue color is actually for the height. Okay, blue color is for the height. And let's say you change the white color. This one at the corner, every corner will have white color. This one will rescale everything. Okay, rescale the whole sizing. Okay, so make sure you choose the correct point to adjust the sizing, or you can adjust the size inside this information box. Okay, you can adjust one by one, length, the width, and the height. Okay, it's either you adjust inside this information box, or you can adjust by pressing C button to rescale. Alright, this one I will adjust the position of the carpet. Okay, move it to the left a bit and then make it center. Okay, so in case you forgot which button to click, you can also use the buttons up here. Okay, we have move. Okay, same as the Z button. Okay, you can move it, and then this one is rotate, same as X button. This one is zoom, same as C button. You can rescale the object. Okay, we also have extra button here, horizontal flip. Okay, you can flip the items. Alright, then this one is size query. You can select any model, any product, and you can see the sizing from the wall and from the floor as well. Okay, you can also adjust the numbering to move the position. Okay, adjust the distance by using the size query. Okay, and then we also have this copy button. Okay, copy, it will copy to the side, or you can press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Okay, this one is hide. Okay, you can hide by pressing H button. Okay, to unhide, you go to display, material management, and unhide. Okay, this one is replace product, delete, and favorite. Okay, I will teach you how to replace the product. Sorry, replace the texture. Alright, before that, you can try drag out material to the wall and to the floor. Okay, so you can go to finishing. Okay, click return and go to finishing. Okay, for wallpaper, we have here wallpaper and lacquers. Okay, so inside wallpaper, all is pattern. Okay, we have big flowers, stripe, picture, wall cloth. You also have plain color wallpaper. Okay, you can just drag out on the wall. You also have plain color. If you want plain color, it's inside lacquer. Okay, we have warm, medium color, cool color. We also have wall paint. Okay, so most of the color inside here is plain. If you want textured color, you can go to wallpaper. Okay, we also have wall cloth here. I will drag one color. Okay, drag one color. Once you drag out, you will see this message. Press Ctrl key can apply on the wall at the same time. Okay, so you can hold Ctrl button. Okay, it will apply to the whole wall at the same time, but only inside this room. If you didn't press Ctrl, it will apply on one wall only. Okay, so if you want to apply one by one, do not press Ctrl button. Okay, if you want to apply on all wall at the same time, you can press Ctrl button and drag the material. Okay, so let's say you want to cut the wall. You can use this button. Scissor, you see the scissor button, you can cut it horizontally. Say cut the wall, right click to cancel, select the line, and you can move up and down to adjust the height. Or you can also adjust the numbering here. Let's say I put 1008, 1006. Okay, and then we can also cut it vertically. Okay, use this button, vertical split, to cut it vertically. Right click to cancel, select the line, and you can move left and right to adjust the length. Okay, so maybe from the right wall, I will change 2006. Okay, once you cut the wall, you can drag different material, different wallpaper to it. Let's say I drag this wallpaper, then drag different wallpaper here. Okay, so that's how you separate the wall. Okay, cut the wall and you can drag out different wallpaper inside. Okay, you can also adjust the sizing of the wallpaper. Just select the wall. Inside this information box, you can adjust the sizing. Okay. Alright, so let's say I select this wallpaper. Okay, here you can untick proportional and you can adjust one by one the width and the height. You can also rotate the wallpaper. Okay, Y offset move up and down. Okay, X offset is to move left and right. Move the wallpaper left and right. Okay, so that's how it adjusts the wallpaper sizing and the movement. Okay, if you want to delete the line, you can select the line and then press delete button. Directly press delete button on your keyboard and then click OK. If you want to clear out the material, use this button, clear material. Okay, and then you can drag out different material to it. This one, I will just select on other wall. I will use the same wallpaper on this wall. Just drag the wallpaper on this wall. Okay. Okay, it's like copy paste method. You can just select the wall and drag the material to any empty wall to use the same wallpaper. Alright, so now you can try drag materials to the floor. You can click return. Okay, go to finishing. You can go to ceramic tile or wooden floor. Let's say we go to ceramic tile. We have a few options inside here. We have brick. Okay, we have polishing brick, mosaic, glaze tile. Okay, you can just drag any material to the floor and you can adjust the sizing first. Inside here, let's say I reduce 600. Okay, and you can rotate if you want. Let's say I rotate 45 degree, and you can use Y offset and X offset to adjust the movement. Okay, adjust the position of the tiles. Alright. Okay, so this is how it looks like. You can also go to wooden floor. Okay, we have wooden floor. Let's say I drag wooden floor in this room. You can click return. Here, down here we have wooden floor. Okay, we have this location paving, herringbone style, mosaic. Okay, you can select one by one and drag it out. Let's say I drag this wooden floor, and you can also adjust the movement, Y offset, X offset. Okay, let's say I will rotate it 90 degree. Select the floor first and you can edit it. Rotate 90 degree. Okay, and remember, you can also drag it to the center. This is actually the door area, underneath the door area. Okay, you can select the part, okay, and then rotate it also 90 degree. Okay, and you can move it. Okay, move the tiles to adjust the position. Alright, same thing with here. Okay, you can see this is missing spot underneath the door. You can select the tiles. Okay, drag the same tiles inside. So I'm going to rotate 45 degree and adjust Y and X offset. Okay, to adjust the movement of the seam. Okay, of the lining. Okay, something like that. Alright, and then that's how it look like. Okay, there's one spot left. This one, I'll drag this. Alright, so this is how it looks like once you have dragged out the wallpaper and the tiles. Next, you can also change the material on the window. Okay, this part you can also drag different material to change the color like this. Okay, and once you have done, you can try drag out the curtain. Curtain is under decoration. Okay, fabric soft decoration. Okay, all the fabric is inside here, including pillow, cushion, and the carpet. Okay, so you can drag out any curtain model. Okay, let's say I drag this one out. Okay, you can adjust the position first. Remember, you need to adjust the sizing. You can either adjust inside this information box or you can rescale by pressing C button. Okay, C button is to rescale. Okay, adjust the size and adjust the movement. Okay, then you can try change the color. Okay, most of the items in the library you can replace the material. select it, and you can go to edit material down here. Okay, you can also rotate your model. This one is the front side, this one the back side. Okay, and on the left side, this is all the materials. Okay, we have plastic. Okay, you can change to wood, stone, leather, fabric, metal, and lastly is glass. Okay, so for fabric, we have three types: linen, silk, and flannel. You can just drag any material you like. Okay, drag to this part. Okay, you can also replace to different types of fabric. Okay, let's say we go to flannel. Okay, change the color. Okay, so once you have done, you can click save and quick exit the mode. You can see the curtain changes color. Not only curtain, you can also try change other materials such as the bed over here. Okay, you can select the bed and go to edit material. Okay, so inside here you can replace any part of the bed. Maybe you can replace the leg down here. Okay, we can go to wood material. Okay, we have solid wood, double finishing, blister. Okay, you can just select the model, the color you like, and just drag to the bed leg down here. Okay, so that's how it looks like. Okay, let's say I change to different color, this one. Right? Okay, you can also change the material on the bed rest. Okay, we have leather material. Okay, we have crocodile skin, matte leather. Just drag the leather to the bed rest and it will change its color. Right, so once you have done, you can click save and quit. Okay, so that's how it looks like once you have changed the color. Alright, and then you can click return. Okay, so now you can try drag the electronics, which is the aircon. Okay, you can go to electronics down here. Okay, household appliances. We have air conditioning inside here. Okay, just drag out any aircon model, drag on the wall, and you can adjust the position a bit. Okay, if you want to drag switches, okay, switch point or sockets, it's under electronic as well. Okay, electronics down here. Okay, we have switches, sockets, switch box. Just select the models inside here. Okay, so I'll be using the switches. Okay, we have different types as well. Okay, we have the smart switches and the manual switches. Okay, just drag any model. Okay, this one. Drag out. And this one, you need to adjust the position manually. Okay. Right, so once you have done, you can click return. This is how it looks like. Okay, the final step, you can try drag the ceiling. Okay, so you can go to display, tick your ceiling layer. Okay, you can go to 2D, go to 2D view. You can select the ceiling from this 2D view. Okay, so you can go to finishing, ceiling. Okay, up here, ceiling. Okay, so we have a few ceiling model. We have no downlight. This one, there's no light on the ceiling. Okay, we also have integrated ceiling. Okay, most of the ceiling inside here already got downlight. You can see downlight, and some got tracking light. Okay, usually I will use the simple modeling. okay, or no downlight, up to you. You can use any model from here. Okay, you can just drag out. Okay, just drag out, and you can rescale the corner, make sure the ceiling is smaller than the room size. Okay, then you can fill out the ceiling. Use this button, fill. Okay, select your ceiling, fill out your ceiling, and it will follow your room size. Hit this button, fill. Then you can go back to room view. This is your ceiling. You can drop it down, just drag the arrow downward. Okay, hold control button, drag it down to cancel the gravity. Or you can use this button, size query. Okay, select the ceiling. You can see the height from the floor. This one. Okay, this one you can adjust, maybe drop down to 3000 or 2008. Okay, drop down the ceiling. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, then for the final touch up, maybe you can drag some lighting from decoration. Okay, inside here, decoration. Then you can go to lighting. You can drag out ceiling light or chandelier. Okay, or you can also drag out ceiling fan. Okay, you can just type here. We have search button here, ceiling fan. Okay, so you can find any model by typing the name in here, or you can use this button, search by image. Click this camera button, and you can go the 3D model, this one, go to the study material and go to file number 3 model. Just double click on this image. Okay, it will list down all the ceiling fan model in our library. So you can go to go to Google and find any image. Okay, Google image, and use this button, search by image. Okay, you can find any picture, maybe side table, bed, anything. So DrawHouse will automatically list down the model for you. So you don't need to search one by one. You save your time. Alright, so this one I will adjust the sizing first. Okay, you can try drag out lighting or chandelier. Okay, but this one I will use this ceiling fan since it got lighting as well. Okay, and don't forget to adjust the movement. Okay, try your best to make it center on the ceiling. You can use size query. Okay, size query to adjust the movement. Okay, so I think this is the final step. This is how it looks like. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.